Problem on Gibbs free energy chain and equilibrium constant. What have you learned in the previous module? We have learned some of the formulas. Log Kc is equals to NF E naught of cell divided by 2.303 RT. This is in general. At 298 Kelvin, log Kc is equals to N into E naught of cell divided by 0.0591. Delta G naught is equals to NF E naught of cell. These are the some of the formulas we are using for the problem solving. Let's consider some of the problems. For a cell in which the following reaction occurs, 2Fe3 plus 2I minus gives 2Fe2 plus I2. At 298 Kelvin, E naught of cell is equals to 0.236 volt. Calculate the standard Gibbs free energy change and equilibrium constant. Let me consider the solution part. Gibbs free energy change that can be calculated by using the formula delta G naught is equals to minus NF E naught of cell. For the above cell reaction, N value is equals to 2. How it is N is equals to 2? Look at here, Fe3 plus is becoming Fe2 plus by gaining 1 electron. But we are multiplying by 2, so that's why it is 2 electron here. Same way, I minus is becoming I2. Here 1 electron is lost. So we are multiplying by 2, so that's why 2 electrons lost, and here 2 electrons gained. So that's why N value is equals to 2. F is 96,500 coulomb. E naught of cell value is given. It is 0.236 volt. So what is the formula? Delta G naught is equals to minus 2 into N value is 2, F value is 96,500, and E naught of cell is given 0.236 volt. If you substitute and if you simplify this one, delta G naught is equals to minus 45,548 joule. This is the delta G naught value for the above cell reaction. To find the equilibrium constant value Kc, we should use at 298 Kelvin, E naught of cell is equals to 0.0591 divided by N log Kc. E naught of cell into N divided by 0.0591, that is equals to log Kc, because we are interested in Kc value, so that's why we are taking this equation. So we know that N is equals to 2 and E naught of cell is given 0.236 volt. Let's substitute these values. 0.236 into 2, N value is 2, divided by 0.0591, that is equals to log Kc. So simplify it, it will become 7.986, that is equals to log Kc. But we want Kc, so Kc is equals to antilog of 7.986. So if you take the antilog of 7.986, you will be getting the value as 9.683 into 10 to the power 7. This is the Kc value. The antilog, how to find the antilog, it is already discussed in the class. So Kc value is 9.683 into 10 to the power 7. Second problem, calculate the standard cell potential of galvanic cell in which the following reaction takes place. Fe2 plus Ag plus gives Fe3 plus Ag. Calculate the delta G naught and equilibrium constant Kc. Equilibrium constant is Kc. E naught of Fe3 plus bar Fe2 plus is given 0.77 volt. E naught of Ag plus to Ag, that is equals to 0.80 volt. Let me consider the solution part. Ag is cathode here and Fe is anode. So what is the reason here? We know that the one which is having higher SRP value is acting as cathode. Look at here, SRP value of Ag is 0.80 volt and the SRP value of Fe is 0.77 volt. So that's why Ag is cathode and Fe is anode. The reason is E naught of Ag plus 2 Ag is greater than E naught of Fe3 plus 2 Fe2 plus. The one which is having higher SRP value is acting as cathode. The one which is having lesser SRP value is acting as anode. Now E naught of cell is equals to E naught of cathode minus E naught of anode. that is equals to E naught of Ag minus E naught of Fe. We know the value of E naught of Fe 0.77 volt, E naught of Ag is 0.80 volt. Substitute this value 0.80 minus 0.77, that will become 0.03 volt. Now delta G naught is equals to minus NF E naught of cell. This is the formula to calculate delta G naught. For the cell reaction, Fe2 plus Ag plus gives Fe3 plus Ag. N value is 1. E naught of cell is 0.03 volt. F value is 96,500 coulomb. Therefore, delta G naught is equals to N value is minus 1. F is 96,500 into 0.03. That is equals to minus 2895 joules per mole. That is the delta G naught value. Next is to find the value of Kc. We know that E naught of cell is equals to 0.0591 divided by N log Kc. Therefore, E naught of cell into N divided by 0.0591 is equals to log Kc. We are interested in the calculation of log Kc. Now N is equals to 1, E naught of cell is 0.03 volt, F is 96,500 coulomb. Substitute this value 0.03 into 1 divided by 0.0591, that is equals to log Kc. Now we want Kc, so log Kc value is 0.508. I want Kc, so Kc is equals to antilog of 0.508. Kc is equals to 3.221. The equilibrium constant for the cell reaction is 3.221.